Hello everyone, Chris Adamo here from balloonpro.co. Some really exciting news that just got launched today. Prima Balloons, a whole new brand, like some amazing colors. I've got to see a few of them so far. Really excited in all the sizes. So 5-inch, 11-inch, 18-inch. I believe 36-inch is the largest size with a whole bunch of linking balloons in between. Now, what I've got in front of me, I've got a little sneak peek at a color called Kiss Me Pink. And I've inflated a couple here behind me. A couple of things just to mention, and we're going to do a bit of a product review a little later on. I've got some organics I want to build out in the pool just to test it out there in the sun, see how it goes with the heat and direct UV. But just a couple of things here. The 5-inch balloon, well, all of them actually, but look at that. The 5-inch balloon has a neck that is at least about 1 inch long. And what I've found already in creating some of my organic work is that extra length of the neck really helps me bind those sort of more smaller detailed pairs to the organic piece. It enables it to sort of pop out and not be sort of sucked into the majority of the organic module. So here we have, I've sort of overinflated to about the largest size that I would use specifically for organic. So this is the 18-inch, quite rounded there. That there really appears to be more of a 20-inch size as it's inflated. I don't have a measurer on me, I'm just at home. I'm doing this quickly so that we can get it out today. But it's huge, beautifully rounded. I think the color is very consistent. So then we have our 11-inch. So look, that's almost inflated to a 12. Once again, quite rounded, can be worked even at that size into an organic module. And then the 5s, this is what really impressed me the most. That's really a 6-inch at still a well-rounded, nice sphere shape, spherical shape. And when we underinflate them, just look how big and long that neck is for pulling and tying in. As an example, so here's something I'm working on, which I'll show you soon. As I've tied these pairs in, look how much stretch that has, so we can style it around our module without, like I said, it being pulled in when they're really tight. So that's a great advantage there. So stay tuned and let's see how it looks.
Alright, all done. So behind me is a beautiful organic garland using the new colour Kiss Me Pink from Prima Balloons.
Interesting side note here just to point out, I tested these balloons probably about 32 hours ago. So they've been out in the Australian sun. Yesterday was about 32 degrees Celsius. With direct sunlight, and then it rained all night, which is the perfect storm for balloons because it washes away the powder. So it's a good example to show you all, being the first samples that I've seen, where the balloons actually they're not sticking like normal. So right, which means because they're not sticking to each other, they're not popping because the water will wash the powder away, the heat will expand the balloons and stick the latex together. So oxidization is less than what I see through most of the big brands, yeah, so it's holding up okay outside, so big thumbs up.